welcome back everyone. I'm really excited to share with you our brand new Mary Kay lip kits. This will be the first time that I'm trying them myself, so I'm really excited. I cannot wait. So I'm going to start with the nude, okay? It comes with the lipstick and the matching lip liner. Isn't that really cool? You don't even have to think about if the lip liner is going to match. It just comes with it. So I love how it's so perfectly packaged, and you just bring it out and look at how pretty that is. You guys, this is my very first time trying it with you, okay? So I'm really excited about it. This is Lip Kit Set in Nude, okay? Lip Kit in Nude. So the way I put it on is, of course, I'm gonna do my lip liner first, and then I'm going to do my lipstick, okay? So let's get started. It's so perfectly shaped, and I cannot wait. I know it's gonna define our lips perfectly. Comment below and let me know, do you start putting on your lip liner at the bottom lip or do you start at the top lip? I always start at the bottom for some reason. I don't know if I'm the only one, but let me know in the comments. This lip liner just glides right on. It's so perfect. Now the lipstick. I love how it has like cute little lips all over it. It's super cute. And then look at how it's just so perfect. Wow, that's so awesome. This set is only $28 and it comes with both the lip liner and the lipstick. You guys, I love it. I feel like it's moisturizing my lips as well. Wow, guys, what do you think? Tell me what you think in the comments. I love it. This is my first time trying it, and I really love it. It's so pretty. It's so, like, it's a perfect nude, and I love that it doesn't feel dry, and it feels like it's moisturizing my lips too, and I love the feeling of it. The nude is the bomb. The bomb. I have to remove my lipstick first. Obviously, I'm gonna use our best #1 oil-free makeup remover. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my cloth. And as bad as I don't wanna wipe it off because I love the color so much, I have to show y'all what the pink rose looks like, which I'm really excited. The other shade we have available, it is Mary Kay Lip Kit Pink Rose. And I'm really excited to try this, you guys. I really enjoy trying new products just like right now with you guys. I have not tried this, so I'm really excited about it. So it's packaged so perfectly. And I love the color already. So let's see how it looks like on my lips. Wow, look at that. That's so pretty. Wow. I'm really enjoying this color already. I'm such a nude and red person, so pink rose, I'm really excited about. This is such a fun spring color, and look at that. I love how it's like complementing my earrings. OMG. I love it. It's such a fun color. It's such a fun spring color. Like, y'all. And Like, do y'all agree? Do you love the way it looks with my earrings? I feel like it complements my earrings. I feel like I gotta go get like bright pink nails or something now. I love this. I am so feeling this. I am totally feeling this look. I was gonna take this off. I already had it in my mind. Take it off, put the nude back on, but I'm totally keeping this color on. I am. I can't get enough of it. You guys, my honest review, not because I sell Mary Kay by far, but my makeup is all Mary Kay, and these lip kits, girl, I'm for it. I'm so for it. I gotta stock up on these. So get yours, you guys. The price is super affordable. $28 for the whole kit. $28 for the whole kit. And tell your girlfriends, because you do not want them to miss out on this. Y'all have a blessed day. Happy spring. Enjoy yourself and be safe. Bye.